Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload a new resume to your LinkedIn so that you can start applying with that resume. It's a little bit tricky because you don't know where to go, but I'll show you how to get to that place, okay? So let's go to your LinkedIn profile. Here you'll go where it says settings and privacy. In here you'll go where it says data privacy. So once you're here, you go down where it says job application settings. And this will take you to where you have all of your resumes that you have uploaded before. In here you can just click on upload resume, and you can just click on any of your resumes that you have locally, and you upload your resume in that way. So now when you go to apply for a job, now you'll see the resume that you just uploaded, and you can use that resume to apply for the jobs. And that's how you update your resume on LinkedIn if you want to use it for applications, or maybe you want to, I don't know, maybe you got more work experience or something changed and now you have a new resume. This is the way that you do it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you.